All right, good evening everyone. And welcome to the Premier Lifestyle Grand Partners Night. Palakpakan naman po natin ang event natin. What an incredible night to gather and celebrate excellence, achievement, and the boundless potential of Premier Lifestyle and its business partners as we usher in this promising new year to 2025. This year marks not only a fresh start, but also a golden opportunity to set high standards, embrace new challenges, and celebrate exceptional contributions that continue to shape our journey together. Before we dive into the excitement tonight's program, let me take a moment to acknowledge whose unwavering leadership and vision have been instrumental in our success. Please join me in welcoming and expressing our deepest gratitude to our distinguished Board of Directors. Mr. Oliver Chua, Mr. Herbie Chua, and watching us online, Mr. William Barbo. And of course, our dynamic General Manager, Mr. Gary Morales. And his team, headed by Mr. Adrian Justiniano, and Mr. Sel Magyawe. Of course, Miss Jen and Sir Grace there too. Your guidance and support inspires us all to reach greater heights. We are also privileged to have with us tonight our esteemed business partners from around the globe. Our partners from United Kingdom, headed by Mr. and Mrs. Victorino Carillo. Thank you for coming, sir. Let's conquer Europe. All right, and of course, all the way from Gabon, Africa, Madame Rossini Kotel. Let's do this, Africa. Your dedication and collaborative spirit reminds us that Premier Lifestyle truly transcends borders, bringing together a diverse community united by our shared passion of excellence. Tonight, we come together to honor and celebrate the remarkable achievements of our Premier Lifestyle business partners. These awards reflect not only their hard work and perseverance, but also their unwavering commitment to the values we hold dear. From outstanding sales performance to groundbreaking leadership excellence, the awardees tonight exemplify what it means to thrive within the Premier Lifestyle family. Adding even more sparkle to this special occasion, we are thrilled to present an extraordinary lineup of guest artists and performers who will grace the stage and bring vibrant energy to our celebration. Their talent and artistry reminds us of beauty, of creativity and inspiration. Our perfect complement to the spirit of tonight's event. And these won't be possible without these amazing individuals. Our executive senior partners. Palakpakan nyo naman po. And I want to call them on stage. All right, one of the OGs, Mr. Joseph Sagaran. Mr. Ruben Acevedo, Mr. Darwin Buonggaling, Mr. Gerard Manrique, Mr. and Mrs. Raymond and Jen Lumaban, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Christopher and Valerie Melior, Mr. Johnny Benoaga and Miss Diane Jobli, Mr. Jeffrey Gonzalez, and Miss Daisy Banyas. Palakpakan nyo naman po. Mr. and Mrs. Christopher and Delmar Pasag. And my one and only, my wife, of course. Di pwede makalimutan yan. Miss Diane Rose Trinidad. Sa stage. Sige po. Palakpakan nyo naman po executive senior partners. You know what? we've been doing this for the past 4 months already. And nakakatuwa kasi we started from a vision. Alright? Way back 4 months ago, si Lord talaga, whether you like it or not, pag talagang hiningi mo, sa tamang panahon, ibibigay at ibibigay talaga niya. Tama? And you know what's good about these executive senior partners, all right? They have the heart to build this premier lifestyle. And ang tanging puso talaga namin, we've been days, sleepless nights, all right? Isip ng mga ideas para to capture the market of premier lifestyle. But you know what? Fast forward, naiyak ako. 5 months ago, 5 months fast forward, and right now, we are now here celebrating our day 1 of Premier Lifestyle. And gusto lang pasalamatan talaga ang mga board of directors, Sir Herbie, Sir Oliver Chua. Salamat ng marami. Alright? All the senior partners, salamat. Palakpakan naman po natin mga senior partners. And I'm so very excited kasi day 1 pa lang po natin right now, and this is it. We are starting. I remember before year 2006, I started this industry, 2007, and it's really a massive success. And right now, after, ilang taon na ba ako ngayon? Right, 28. Right now, 2025. Parang nag-flashback. And whatever success na nangyari sa amin for the past years of doing this industry, because of you guys are there, and the ESPs are here, I know, mas maganda, mas malupit, mas matinding resulta ang mangyayari sa Premier Lifestyle this 2025. Are you excited? Na-excite po ba kayo? Ako, sobrang excited po. Kaya, we executive senior partners have good news for you. And for all partners worldwide, we will be having an epic life-changing event this coming January 25, 2025. Mark your date. Make sure you will witness the game changer. Because this year, the Premier Lifestyle Club will change the face of the industry. So, let us raise our glasses to 2025, a year of fresh beginnings, bold ambitions, and continued triumphs. Let us celebrate each other, our collective achievements, and the exciting future that lies ahead. Again, welcome to the Premier Lifestyle Grand Partners Night. Exciting future ahead. The future is Premier. To God be all the glory and praise. Thank you and enjoy the evening. God bless everybody.